In this lesson, we will be testing our Arduino Nano board, that is the microcontroller for our robot. Also, our Arduino Nano shield that will allow us to connect components to our robot. Now we will connect our board using an USB cable to our computer. When we connect our board, two red lights should turn on, one in the board and the other one in the shield. Now we must open the Arduino software in our computer. To test our components, we will open an example program that is in Example, Basics and Blink. Every Arduino program has a setup function where we configure our components. In this case, we configure the internal LED of the Arduino as an output. Loop is another function of Arduino. In this case, we will turn on or hide the internal LED of the board. Then we will have a delay of 1 second. Then we will turn off and we will wait 1 more second. The loop will repeat the program forever. In the lesson notes section, you will see more details about how this works. Now we go to the Tools section and we select the board Arduino Nano. Then we go to Processor and select the old bootloader. And last, we will go to the port and select the Able port. Now we will press the upload button and the program will start to compile, and after that will be uploaded to our Arduino Nano board. As you will notice, a second light in our board is blinking. This means our component is working well.